If you've ever talked to someone who survived as a prisoner of war, there's one thing that stands out. Those who made it had an unbreakable will to survive. They refused to give in, to give up, or to die. On the flip side, those who didn't make it lacked that same drive. Imagine how dire things must be for someone to reach the point where they say, "I'm done, I'll just lie here and die." But that's a real possibility when things get truly tough. I knew someone who was going through immense struggles. His marriage was falling apart, and his career was on the verge of collapse. He felt completely lost, with no idea what to do. The way I explained it to him was like this: you're in the middle of a forest right now. You can't see the way out. You've lost your bearings, your wife is gone, your job is slipping away, and you don't know which path to take. But in the woods, when you're lost, you have to start moving. Standing still won't help. You have to take that first step forward, even if you have no idea where it will lead. Because as you move, your view changes, your understanding grows, and you start making progress. And what if you realize you're headed the wrong way? No problem. Turn around and go in a different direction. But doing nothing, that's just choosing to stay stuck, waiting to wither away. Don't let that happen. In life, how you frame your challenges makes all the difference. If you look at a tough business situation as a chance to strengthen your team, or a personal problem as an opportunity to grow, suddenly those hardships are no longer obstacles. They're stepping stones that will make you stronger. These struggles, which seem so overwhelming, are actually crucial moments that shape you for the better. The moment you stop making excuses and acknowledge that the situation is in your hands, you experience a sense of freedom. Now, you're the one steering your life, shaping your own destiny, and that's an incredible feeling.